I'm MHKE. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll bring a very nice video for you that how to earn money without any investment just by watching a simple YouTube videos on a specific site. Also, no matter where from you are, this website is available all over the globe, no matter it's Pakistan, India, United States of America, UAE, Australia, etc. Also, don't worry about the content. Any inappropriate or dirty content cannot be shown on this site for you as it's against their policies. So let's start our work now. So simply open a browser, any browser. I'll be prefer Chrome for this purposes as Chrome handle this such a type of websites. Mm, now simply type the URL in the search bar. I'll be give the link in the description box where from you can get this link and reach the site. Yeah. Now as when you arrive on the site you will see this type of page. Now on this page it already told you that how much money it will give you on watching as it give you 0.60 USD dollars per minute, so you can earn 30 or more up. Now you're thinking that how to sign in for earning a money. So when you arrive on this site using a link in the description box, you will be see the sign in button instead of the user area button at the top right corner on the site. Okay, now simply you click on that sign in button and sign up with your existing Google account or email. As I'll be prefer a Google account for this purposes because it help you in future password for getting problems, etc. So after successfully signing, you will be see a user area page, which I'll show you by clicking my user area page button. Up 1 second, my user area button. Now this is a user area page where your all activities and your progress is written, okay, how much raffles you have and how much you earn and what is your account name. Now you're thinking that how to earn money from this side. So for earning a money from this side, you have simply click on the watch paid videos button on the screen. As I click on it, now you'll be see this page after clicking on that button, and you have the penalty of the videos from which you choose which video you want to play. I'll be watch this video, a motorbike expert view review. So I click on this video. On the next page, you have simply click on the start watching video button to start a video. After successful starting this video, this will show you how much time needed to ending this video. Enjoy this video. I'll be the video from this for saving time and show you the video. Alright, after completion of the successful video watched, this will show you this dialog message that you earn money. So you have simply click on the add to account button to add the earn money in your account. Now it will add this payment into your earn money. But the same method you can watch a number of videos and earn number of dollars or many dollars. Now you people think that how to withdraw the money, the main thing. So before I'll show you the withdrawal method, I want to tell you the minimum requirements for the withdrawal. The minimum requirements for the withdrawal is you have at least minimum of $200 in your account as earn money and minimum of 30 referrals you attract. So now a time I have not minimum requirement requirement for the withdrawal, as I have not a $200 in my earned money, but I'll be show you the how withdrawal method, that how to withdraw. Okay, now simply click on the withdraw money tab from the site. From here you have the number of the choices from which method you want to withdraw your money. Okay, so I'll be prefer the Master Visa card, as I have a debit Visa card, Mastercard. So click on this, and then from there payment method details, simply type your bank name, card holder name, card number, and then withdraw money. This will withdraw your money within a 1 to 2 hours working days, during a working days, and 3 to 4 hours during a off days, and your money will be transferred into your account. I hope so you will be earn a lot of money from this website and earn a lot of. So if you get any of the profit from this website, this video, or get any excitement from this video, then please not forget to subscribe this channel. Also please like this video and share to your friends for the further engagement. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.